Autonomous drone startup Skydio has raised $100 million in a Series C round of funding. And seemingly to celebrate that, Skydio also announced the new X2 commercial drone, coming later this year with 360-degree superzoom cameras as well as thermal imaging sensors, quoting TechCrunch. Founded in 2014, Skydio has raised $170 million total and launched 2 consumer-focused drones to date, both of which employ artificial intelligence technology to give them autonomous navigation capabilities. This means their drones can actively track objects and people while simultaneously avoiding potential collisions with objects including trees, power lines, and other obstacles. The end result is video that looks like it was recorded by a professional film crew in a helicopter, but available to the general consumer market in a sub-$1,000 price point. The first Skydio drone, the R1, was launched in 2018 and retailed for $2,400. Its intelligence and tracking capabilities were impressive and were later improved via software updates and the second-generation hardware, which launched last year and is currently available for order. Skydio's new X2 drone platform is designed for enterprise use and will ship in Q4 of this year, according to the company. It included an onboard 360-degree super zoom camera, a FLIR 320 by 256 resolution thermal imaging camera, a battery life of 35 minutes of flying time, and a maximum range of 6.2 miles. There's also a Skydio enterprise controller for the drone, which has a touchscreen, hardware controls, and a protective hood to block glare. The move from consumer to enterprise makes a lot of sense for Skydio. The same collision avoidance features and easy piloting that the company has received praise for in the consumer world are very applicable in enterprise use. The company says that its close proximity avoidance tech, which allows for very tight tolerances in flight, make it a great candidate for doing things like remote infrastructure and equipment inspection, where having a person do those would be dangerous or impossible. X2 can also capture 180-degree images directly above itself, which makes it uniquely capable of inspecting bridge spans and other overhead construction from a different perspective than is offered by many rotor drones like this one. And the infrared coverage means it can operate day and night and provide heat maps of targets, end quote.